All right, guys, we all know how difficult it is to make ends meet these days, and we also know how you guys would love to learn a couple of ways to make some extra money. Well, today we are going to show you guys how to make some extra money selling digital products. Don't know how to create digital products? Don't worry. With the power of AI, join us as we take a look at the various steps you need to take to create and sell digital products. The 3 phases of digital products. To start off with our creative process when it comes to creating these digital products, we must observe these 3 noted phases of the process. These stages are ideate, create, sell. We know that we have to emphasize on the ideate and create part because most people seem to struggle with these aspects of the process. This may especially be the case when they figure they lack the prerequisite skills to successfully complete these parts of the process. Luckily, we have ChatGPT to help us out with these creative problems. Now, let's show you guys exactly how to ideate by using ChatGPT. The first step of this ideating process when you use ChatGPT is to feed the AI the information that it needs to be able to ideate, create, and sell these digital products for you. In the process, it helps you figure out who you are trying to talk to, what kind of problems are you trying to solve for them, and are you even in the business of solving such a problem? That may be determined by what sort of business you are running to begin with. In order to get to business with this step, the first thing that you need to do is to give ChatGPT all that information. One thing about this process, and we're sure this will be very important for you guys who are truly fresh at this, is that if you do not know the details to the questions that we brought up earlier, then you can use ChatGPT to figure out those details. To use the AI to figure out this information, you can use the following prompt. I want to build a digital product passive income business, but I have no idea what types of things I'll sell or who I want to talk to. I love to talk about interest, and I would eventually love to be like example creator here. Can you help me decide on the niche I need to be in and what my overall topic is? Such a prompt will help you and ChatGPT figure out what direction you may need to take. This ought to clear up any issues that you may have when it comes to this step of the process. Whether you are a beginner attempting to figure out what sort of product you are going to invest your time and resources in, or if you are an expert doing what you can to clarify some information as you create your profitable digital product. In this process, ChatGPT can even help you come up with the products to sell. It may be able to help you figure out who you want to sell to and how you are going to do it. For you to achieve this, you need to give your expertise and what you may want to help people with by using your app. That is after you enter that prompt that we mentioned earlier. It may actually be easier to do this by entering this prompt. I want to create a digital product that helps your niche/person go from point A to point B. Give me 10 ideas that would help do that. Looking at the responses, you are sure to get underway because the suggested digital products are simply fantastic. Depending on the information ChatGPT has given, you will get suggestions ranging from an ebook to Canva templates. It can even suggest that you attempt to sell a bundle. With that in mind, you have to make sure that this is exactly what you want to do. This means that you don't have to follow their suggestions to the letter. That said, we have to appreciate the fact that ChatGPT seems to be one of the perfect apps out there that can help the user spark ideas. Make the most of these ideas and see how much progress you are likely to make going forward. Aside from helping the creator come up with ideas for the products that they want to sell to people, ChatGPT can also help us create these products as well. In fact, there are several ways in which ChatGPT could come in handy for us when it is time to create these digital products. For starters, if it's an ebook that you have in mind, you can use ChatGPT to create the information going into the ebook. However, due to ethical reasons, you may want to come up with the initial basic information that can help the AI get to work. You can expand on your basic information by using this prompt, for example. Here is the basic info. I want to put it in an ebook. Insert info here. Can you write the ebook including this info with a serious tone? I want this to be short and to the point and only take someone about 20 minutes to consume. With such a prompt, you should be able to get a decent product. Sure, you may need to edit some details, but it does create the entire ebook for you. Pretty amazing, right? Now, if you are looking to ideate and create what can only be described as the look and feel of things, for example, if you are trying to create a free sample, but you don't want to spend the entire day deciding or creating the look of the product, you don't have to worry too much because ChatGPT is there to give a helping hand. All you gotta do is ask ChatGPT to come up with a look guide for this particular thing. Make sure you ask it to describe what it would look like so that someone can design it on Canva. With that, you can see how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to bring your digital creation to life. Now, if you are creating something like an online course, the issue here may be that you may need some help breaking down the information that will make up the content of your online course. ChatGPT is on hand to give you some help with that. Looks like Sam Altman had it all figured out when it comes to designing this AI that will help people bring their thoughts to life. Finally, it is time to push our digital product to the masses. Again, ChatGPT is on hand to give us the tools we need to achieve this. For starters, it can help the creator catalog their online digital product. For us to get ChatGPT to help us achieve this, we may be able to use a prompt such as this. I have explain your digital product, and I am planning to put this together in a sales funnel where this is the main offer. There is an order bump and a one-time offer. Can you help me with ideas for the order bump and one-time offer? You can ask the AI to add something that will make the package more valuable, or ask it to write sales copies for you, or whatever you think would help make the product more appealing to the consumer. You can even find a copy that someone else created and feed it to ChatGPT if you like it so much. That way, it can replicate the format for you. You can use this prompt to do this. Knowing what you know about my offer and my personality, here's some sales page copy that I love from another sales page. Can you use this as a template and write out a sales page for my offer? Add the fact that ChatGPT can help you come up with market research and can help you make that extra income. You can make all the money you want. Do not miss out on these amazing tips. With them, you can start your digital product business today.